If you love model building like I do, but you've only got regular guy kind of skills, also like I do, then I'd like to invite you to take a look at It's My Railroad. On our channel, we've got hundreds of videos showing you how to make great scenes, models, dioramas, and model railroad stuff, all of them just using regular guy techniques. When I first got into model building a few years ago, I really didn't know much about it. So I started poking around on the internet and I found some amazing resources for the model builder and for the model railroader. I also found a couple of things that really had me frustrated. One of them was rivet counters. These are folks that apparently believe my model needs to match the prototype right down to the rivet, or I got the sense they didn't care much for my regular guy techniques. In matter of fact, they were quite vocal about it. The second thing I found was master model builders. Oh my gosh, these people build such amazing models with such great detail, such realism, and it also had me frustrated for the same reason the rivet counters did, and that is this: I'm not that guy. I'm just a regular guy. Again, so I was kind of frustrated with all that until I had a light bulb moment, and that is this: wait a minute, it's my railroad. Who cares if I've got newer rolling stock with older rolling stock, newer scenes with older scenes? As long as I'm enjoying the hobby and I'm proud of the work I've done, it really doesn't matter. Again, it's my railroad. And I can tell you this, whenever visitors come over and look at my model railroad and watch my trains go round and round, they all do the same thing. They oogle in awe over what I've been able to achieve using just regular guy techniques. Folks that don't know squat about a prototype, but appreciate the effort that's gone into building my model. So if you've made it through this far in this ad, then maybe something I'm saying rings true with you too. And what I'd like to do is invite you over to the channel. It's My Railroad. Take a look at some of the content we've got there. See if there's something there that you like, and if so, do me a favor. Push that subscribe button, push that notification button so you don't miss any of our new content. I sure hope to see you there, and until I do, my name is Steve Brown. Rail on, my friends.